Your website is your digital branch, open 24/7, serving customers, building trust, and driving sales. But just like a physical branch, it needs protection and ongoing care. That's where Webdev website security and maintenance comes in, keeping your site safe, updated, and fresh while you focus on running your business. What's in it for me? With Webdev website security and maintenance, you get peace of mind and continuous growth. We protect your site from hacks, malware, and downtime. Keep your systems and plugins updated, back up your site so it's never lost, update your content, products, blogs, services, and promotions, optimize performance for speed, uptime, and mobile use. Provide local support, even on weekends. It's your complete care plan, technical protection plus content management. What it is and how it works, think of it as insurance and service rolled into one. Here's what we do. Security monitoring. 24/7 protection from hackers, phishing, and malware. Software updates, regular CMS, plugin, and system updates, backup and recovery. Automatic backups with quick restoration, performance optimization, faster load times, and better mobile performance, content management, uploading new products, updating services, blogs, and campaigns, support and fixes. Local experts ready to solve issues and make updates when you need them. With Webdev, you don't just get a website, you get a partner who keeps it alive, secure, and working for your business. Why now? The care advantage. Websites without care plans become slow, outdated, and vulnerable. A single hack or crash can cost your business money, reputation, and customers. With Webdev website security and maintenance, you stay protected, updated, and ready for growth every day. With over 3,000 clients across Zimbabwe, Africa, and beyond, Webdev has been building, securing, and maintaining websites for more than 2 decades. From small and medium enterprises and non-governmental organizations to corporations and institutions, we keep digital branches safe, supported, and serving customers without interruption. Is this for someone like me? Webdev. Website security and maintenance is perfect if you rely on your website for sales, bookings, or donations. Don't have the time or skills to update content yourself. Need assurance that your site won't get hacked or go offline. Want to stay current with fresh promotions, services, and news. Value local experts who are always available to help. If your website is critical to your business, this is for you. What else should I know? Do I really need both security and maintenance? Yes, security keeps you safe. Maintenance keeps you running. Together, they protect and grow your site. What if my site is hacked? We clean it, restore from backup, and secure it against future attacks. Do you help with content updates? Yes, our team updates your products, services, blogs, and promotions so your site stays fresh. Do you back up my site? Yes, we keep secure backups ready for instant recovery. Do you provide weekend support? Yes, our local team is available even outside office hours. Don't leave your digital branch unprotected. Secure it, maintain it, and grow it with Webdev website security and maintenance, your complete website care plan. Webdev, keeping Zimbabwe's website safe, updated, and always online.